Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, third year. Welcome to your English class, and in today's lecture, inshallah, I will tell you that how you will attempt the question of RTC. As you know that RTC means reference to the context. Few lines are given from any story, from any page, or you can say from beginning, ending, or middle. So you have to prepare all the text of all the short stories with reference to the context. So beta, let's start our today's work. Okay beta, you can see on page number 34 I have highlighted a few lines from your second short story. There was an awful fate, she continued, the effect of my father's mad love of science, which separated me from all society of my kind, until heaven sent you, dearest Giovanni. Oh, how healthy was your poor how lonely, बेटा ये lonely word है, ठीक है, how lonely was your poor Beatrice, ठीक है बेटा. So these are the lines that I will explain with reference to the context. So please look at the board where I have already mentioned reference and its context. Okay beta, as you see that what is the question, RTC, reference to the context. First I have written the reference. In the reference you will write the given lines have been taken from the short story, any short story that from where the lines will be given, and here we are going to do Rebecca's daughter, written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. Mean to say you have to learn the name of the author as well, ठीक है बेटा, क्योंकि पेपर में जो है वो it is not mentioned in the question, so you have to learn the name of author as well. So what is context? The given lines have been almost from the middle of the story, but you have to know that from where the given lines are the lines that you have to attempt for RTC, from which portion these lines have been given बेटा. So for this purpose you have to read the text very much carefully, ठीक है बेटा. और आपने इस चीज़ को रिमेंबर भी रखना है, याद भी रखना है कि whether it is from the middle, beginning or ending. So these lines have been taken from almost from the middle of the story. Beatrice has spoken these lines. She is telling to Giovanni from the window. She is talking to Giovanni, ठीक है. आपको पता है ना Giovanni कौन था, कि वो कहाँ पे आया था बेटा. He came in that particular city for studying. So he got a room on rent, and from the window of that room he looked into the garden where he saw Beatrice and his father. So from the window of that room he sees Dr. Rebecca and his daughter in the garden. Giovanni starts meeting Beatrice in garden. She tells him that all the plants are poisonous. She does not let him touch the plants. So beta, this is the context of the paragraph of the lines that we will translate. Okay beta. Okay beta, look at the lines. So now we are going to explain the given lines. So what are the lines? First of all, read it again. There was an awful fate. Now what is Beatrice talking about? She's talking about her fate, ठीक है बेटा. उसकी क्या fate थी? That her father had made her poisonous, ठीक है बेटा. This was her fate. So how will you start explaining the lines? That in the given lines Beatrice is talking about her poisonous quality and its effect on her. बेटा उसकी जो poisonous quality है उसके effect के बारे में बात करेगी. Actually, her father has brought her up on poison to make her so powerful as no power nor strength can oppose. ठीक है बेटा, this was her fate. So she's saying that the effect of my father's mad love of science which separated me from all society of my kind. तो उसने क्या किया बेटा? She has nobody to talk to. She is alone in her father's poisonous garden because her father, he has made her lonely. He has cut her off from all the society just in order to make her terrible and be afraid, ठीक है बेटा, ताकि उससे डरा जाए. और आपको याद है कल जो हमने बात की थी, that was the line that I would rather be loved instead of hatred. इस तरह की बेटा कोई लाइन थी, ठीक है. So that was very much important line. तो अब इसमें वो क्या कह रही है? Beatrice, the effect of my father's mad love of science. Mean to say his father was so much mad with the love of science that he even gave the sacrifice of his daughter. Okay. So what is she saying? That she has become so poisonous that by her breath insects shall die. So beta, this is the very terrible thing about Beatrice, that even the insects, they fall dead. She knows that she is very poisonous, so she does not let Giovanni touch herself. ठीक है बेटा, until heaven sent you. अब वो कहते हैं कि even Giovanni becomes poisonous only by talking to her. Giovanni gets angry and expresses his hatred towards her. So Beatrice is shocked and she tells him that being a poisonous woman, बेटा ये उसका हम थोड़ा सा explain में कर रही हूँ. It is very necessary for explaining the lines, because we have to tell we have to tell the examiner that what was actually the reason that Beatrice, she uttered these very much dejected and sad words. ठीक है बेटा, until heaven sent you, dearest Giovanni. Oh, how lonely was your poor Beatrice. That in so let's have a look. Beatrice is shocked and she tells him that being a poisonous woman is not a good thing. It is an awful fate. So that there was an awful fate she is saying that she is admitting this thing, that she has become so much poisonous and her fate is awful because she can't live a life of a normal woman. ठीक है बेटा, एक नॉर्मल जो पर्सन है उसकी लाइफ नहीं गुजार सकती. सो दिस इज एन ऑफुल फेट. एंड व्हाई, व्हाट वाज द रीजन ऑफ दिस? इट was because of her father's mad love for science, that he has separated her from the rest of the people of her kind. So she is lonely. How lonely was your poor Beatrice? Now she is saying that your Beatrice, he was very much lonely. ठीक है. Then God take pity on her and sends Giovanni. So what does she say next? That until heaven sent you, mean to say God, he took pity on her. ठीक है बेटा, and he sent Giovanni, dearest Giovanni. Oh, how lonely was your poor Beatrice. कि उसने Giovanni को भेजा उसके पास, sent Giovanni to her and she's lonely no more. She calls herself poor. ठीक है बेटा, अपने आप को क्या बुलाती है? Poor Beatrice. And why she is calling herself poor? Because she is all alone. And why she was all alone? Due to the madness of her father. So there are only poisonous plants, and her father, who is just like a possessed man and is always busy in his experiments. So beta, she is a victim of her father's eagerness and his father's love for science. So beta, this is the explanation of the given lines that you have to do in your paper. So beta, there are next few lines that can be explained likewise, and there are also so many questions. Like I read a few questions in front of you that are very much important. And what can be they? That yes. The story of Lakshmi's daughter is a fantasy. Discuss.